Chances are sooner or later you're going to have to stake out some fixtures on your property, whether it's a patio umbrella, a flagpole, volleyball nets. In this case, we're putting in a portable lawn sprinkler. But if you just stake them up, then they're always in the way. You can trip over them or have to mow around them. So here's the solution where you just make a buried socket out of a piece of PVC. In this case, we're using 1/2-inch PVC, which perfectly fits the sprinkler. But you can get PVC in various diameters, so you can always find one that'll fit your project. The first thing you need to do is take the PVC and use a hacksaw to cut off a sharp angle on one end, then cut it 3 or 4 inches longer than you need it. Then drive it into the ground, pull it out, then tap out the dirt. Then trim it to size. What you end up with is the perfect size and depth hole in your lawn where you can bury the socket. And just push it in, make sure it's perfectly flush with the ground, and then you can put in this case, the lawn sprinkler. And when you're done with it, just pull it out. The socket's always there for reuse, and you can mow right over it and not worry about hitting it.